2-2 the count with the left-handed hitting Gross on deck. And the changeup base hit to left field. And it's 1-0 Oakland. Well, 2 free bases after they cut down the runner at the plate. But 2 free bases set the Athletics up, and they have scored that run. The first run that they were going for all along.
Well, it's amazing. And then behind the plate, you're afraid of having a ball bounce, so you're going to call something that the pitcher at least will keep it elevated. He threw it more for a strike instead of a swing and miss strikeout. And Kouzmanoff, who's been swinging the bat 12